Let me show you how to fully customize your Windows 11 icons. Now let's get started. The first thing you need is an icon, and I will provide a link in the description if you like this one. This icon is available on DeviantArt. If the icon you downloaded is .png, we'll need to convert it to .ico. Convert it online. Choose onlineconvert.com because it has a better quality. By the way, 256 by 256 is a much better and higher quality icon size. Now that I've converted it, I'll rename it. After that, if you wish to change the color of your icons, let's edit them in Adobe Photoshop. Select Image, Adjustments, Hue Saturation. Choose a color you like. Next, change the image size to 256 by 256. Save it as a PNG. Repeat the previous method. When you have finished editing the icon, store it in a folder. It doesn't matter where you place the folder. Just make sure it is somewhere safe. Go to Settings to apply the icons. Personalization. Themes. Desktop icon settings. Change icon. Then select the icon of your choice. Apply it to others as well. After I display it on the desktop, I will pin it to the Start menu. Let's apply a custom icon to our local disk next. Go to Regedit. The exact location will be provided in the description. Paste it here. DriveIcons. Right-click, New Key. Rename it to the disk you want it to apply to. Right-click, New Key. Rename it to Default Icon. Edit String. Right-click then copy as path. Put the icon's exact location here. Refresh to see the changes. Let's apply another custom icon to another disk. Let's apply a custom icon to the new folder. The exact location will be provided in the description. Right-click, New Key. Change its name to Shell Icons. Right-click, New, String Value. 3. Create a new string value and name it for. Here is where you should paste the exact location of your custom icon. To see the changes, open your Task Manager and restart Windows Explorer. It works. Now let's fix it. Options. View. Always show icons, never thumbnails. It works. Let's change the icons for the system library next. The exact location will be provided in the description. Right-click on the default icon. Permissions. Advanced. Change the owner to everyone. Check names. Add. Everyone. Check names. Select everyone, then allow full control and read. Right-click, Modify. Copy and paste your custom icon location. Then right-click and copy as path. It works. Let's change the other icons as well. Simply copy and paste the location. Right-click, then Permissions. Advanced. Change the owner to everyone. Add everyone. Allow all permissions. Paste the location of your custom icon. It works. Repeat the previous method. Now that all custom icons have been applied to the system library. By the way, if you want to return to the original icons, I have provided original value. Take a look at the description below. Next, I'll change the startup menu icon. This part requires Start 11 to be installed. I will download the icon in DeviantArt. Here is my custom icon. Right-click, icon, pick custom tile image. We are all done now. Thanks for watching.